What's up, World of Kings? It's the Ramen Family, brought to you by Light Skin. And today, wait a minute, am I seeing things? Hey, Night Toker. Hey, stop jumping. Hey, what are you doing, bro? No, 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 no. Go out. I'm making a video. Go. All right, much better, guys. Much better. What's poppin'? Today I got a video for y'all. Today we're going to talk about our spirits today. This is very important, especially if you have a thing called Professional Master, which we'll get onto in a second. But for the free-to-play players that do not have Professional Master, what this does is give you opportunity to stack up your main attribute. And this is important because your main attribute is where all your damage comes from. If you're a rogue, your main attribute is dex. That's where all your damage comes from. Paladins, your main attribute is strength. That's where all your damage comes from. The crystal shapers, mages, your main attribute I believe is intellect. That's where all your damage comes from. So if you're free to play, it's important that you start stacking your main attribute in these temples, and then also each spirit has special things to them. Especially if you attach them to the right thing, to the right temple. Just trying to see which one I have. I don't think I have the right ones on right now, but it's all good though. Now, for my pay-to-play players that have Professional Master, if you're not sure what Professional Master is, or you after watching this video you're curious how to get it, we're gonna take a look out and go to the shop. Wait, yo, Night Toker, go. This is not for you. Okay, I'm sorry guys, he's annoying. All right, we're gonna go to the shop. We're gonna go to Professional Master. I mean to Function. Then we're gonna go to Professional Master. It costs 300 coupons, but this is important because Professional Master allows you to basically automatically builds up the it automatically allows you to swap places with another stat, another attribute for your main stat. So basically convert each other, convert to the other one. All right, Night Toker, bro. I quit. You just come over here. Just like make sure the people see you. Feel free to dance. You can stay right there. All right. And what I mean by that is, say, in my phone list right now, I'm stacking decks, right? I got over 578 decks on this one temple and 83 strength. What it does is take the attribute that has the most points in it on that temple and converts it to your main attribute. So, like I said, I have 578 decks and 83 strength. They swap places. Now I got 578 strength and 83 decks. How about that? This is pretty convenient because you know how long it would take free to play players and or for me if I was free to play to do that to put strength in every single one of my slots for every single temple. It would take a lifetime. And this is convenient because now I can start putting other stuff, other attributes rather than just strength into every to all the temples. So with my Felonious, like I said, I stacked Dex. Adora, I stacked Spirit. And my Delo, I stacked Intellect. One thing you'll notice, I never tried to stack Strength. Why? Because Strength is my main attribute. It would be a waste to stack Strength in there. And then also, another thing you notice, I never stack Vitality because Vitality does not convert. Very important. Vitality does not convert. Alright, guys. I hope that was a quick summary. This is a video brought to you by Light Skin and Night Toker. And we're out. See y'all later.